I got something super exciting to show you that came in. Like, literally had to make sure I was here early because UPS overnight always comes super early. And I'm usually not here at 9 a.m., maybe 10, but not 9. From our really good friends at RevShift. I love their products. Every time I get it, it's freaking awesome. This is going to transform the entire car. If anyone knows what an upgraded diff brace does in terms of wheel hop and traction, knows exactly how probably good this is. I'm going to show you guys this compared to OEM, the differences, and we have new bushings and everything to go with it. So let's take a peek. I'm going to show you guys compared to what it replaces, so you can see how crazy it is. CNC'd dual brace or dual bushing bracket, because normally there's only one bushing that holds it. Now it's dual. And then obviously we opted for the street kit. I don't want added vibration and all that kind of stuff for this, so yeah. Let's go to the OEM one and I'll show you the differences. All right, we're back. I'm gonna show you guys the difference between RevShift and OEM, and you're gonna see how crazy it is. So this bracket gets bolted onto the diff, which is held onto the subframe. So, I mean, you can see this little flimsy piece of aluminum that's held on, not like why did they not put extend the bracket there for better stability? Don't ask me. BMW is always the best, I guess. And this is the RevShift one. I mean, this is such a nice piece. I mean, this is gorgeous compared to that, and it's probably twice as strong, adds more rigidity, and has more mounting points. I mean, I couldn't ask for more. This is on the other side of the diff that holds it up. There's 4 bushings in here that are pretty shit, just like most of the OEM bushings. And these are I just use my press to quickly take them out so you can kind of get an idea what they look like. Pretty standard. I mean, not the worst. They're actually in pretty good condition. But if I show you what the RevShift ones look like, I mean, it's just no comparison. Like, look at the quality. This is poly. This is a street rating. I believe it's ADA, which is a little bit stiffer than OEM, but shouldn't add any unwanted vibrations or anything bad like that, because this is not a track car. I just want better traction, more stability. So you could see, I mean these are gorgeous. And then we have the ones that go on the actual subframe, which are the bigger boys, which I have not removed from the car. So let me show you guys this. If you look at our subframe where the diff mounts to, so the diff actually only utilizes this mounting point, this bushing. I haven't removed it yet, and this one stays empty. All M3s and M4s are like that. Don't ask me why. I think it's ridiculous. So we're going to remove this bushing, upgrade it with our new RevShift bushing, and then because we have the dual mount bracket, because this only utilizes one of the mounting points, now we could utilize both. We're going to put 2 bushings in there because of the same size hole and same bushing. It's going to be mounted from there instead of just one now. So it's not going to kind of turn under load, and it's going to be 10 times more stable. The diff is not going to move when you floor the car and you get a little wheel hop or traction issues. This is going to make it 10 times better. So shout out to RevShift. I really appreciate the kit. They did not sponsor me, but so you know that when I buy product, I buy good product, and I really appreciate it. And they were able to overnight it to me, which is awesome because I want to get the subframe back in the car. And yeah, I got to press out that bushing. I already pressed out these. I could press the new ones into there quickly, mount up the new bracket, and mount it to the subframe, and we can get that into the car. So stay tuned. It's pretty exciting. So Mike was upset that
Is that Mickey?
That's Mickey. That's a scat pack for
Yeah,
sure.
it sounds like a fucking snack pack.
Mike was watching me work and was pissed at how inefficient I was doing this, and then grabbed the tools from me, punched me in the face, and said, "Give me 5
I
minutes."
didn't punch you. Kicked you in the face. Get it right.
My bad. And then he asked me for some spermicidal lube,
Yeah. I mean,
water
look,
based.
it looks just like cum.
This is actually pretty thick lube.
Yeah. Just like cum.
Hey man, can you just remember to, like, when you code my car and stuff, can you remember to put windshield wipers on it, please?
No.
So, right?
Get it in anyways.
That's what I'm saying. But isn't the back part more important than the front part?
It doesn't matter. Once it's on there, you're gonna fucking just bolt it down and it's gonna pull it. Oh my god, you know what that looks like? Look at this, guys.
He said he's gonna start assembling, and here we are, waiting.
Threads into the thing, no?
Ooh, Mickey's so smart. It
The E9X's, right?
Ooh.
I don't know anything about cars.
Wait, what is a car? What's a car? I only know like snack packs.
I don't know. I steal for a living.
He hasn't gone home. He hasn't showered for 3 days. Now he's torquing them.
You wanna put your foot?
No. I'll eventually bottom out. Let's go.
How did you know that? How did he fucking know that?
Some people just don't. They just don't use their brain, guys.
Those don't look like 18 though. You guys know me. I don't cheap out on stuff, and I do stuff the right way. So while I was getting food, these bad boys got dropped off. Woo! Brand new M3 quarter panels from BMW. One's on top, second one's on the bottom. Brand new. If anyone wanted to see what a brand new quarter panel looked like. Super easy. Alright guys, welcome to this glorious Thursday. I hear Mike laugh when I do my intro and I don't like it. That was my intro and then he laughed. I heard it. Oh, that was Aslan. Fuck that guy. Fuck Speak Cave. Get him out of here. Stealing business. We don't want those guys. Today's gonna be a big day. We're gonna do coilovers, brakes. Mike's gonna attempt the crank hub with like 6 different drill bits. He said he can put 6 at once and it just magically makes it one piece. And yeah, pretty much a little bit of this and that assembling. He's hungry. He wants Mastros for lunch, and I told him it's a little out of my budget, but maybe it's nice to me. Yeah. So let me show you guys the coils. Brand new ST coilovers. Not sponsored, by the way. This is my choice. I really like their coilovers. Pretty much the same thing as KW, just less corrosion resistance. Same dampening, all that kind of stuff. Same technology. Produced by the same people, the same Germans. And then BBKs next to the E91. And I got a new one-piece crank hub, which is the best crank hub that you could put on these. And Mike's gonna kind of tell you guys a little bit more about it later, so you can hear from him. While we're gonna do the coilovers, I bought some new end links from Whiteline because the OEM ones are just straight thin plastic, and I don't want that on the car, especially with all the extra weight. So we're gonna install these too. I installed them on the E91, so it should be the same thing. Just kind of match the original length, tighten it down, and then same. OEM, not OEM. All right, so these are the original plastic ones. They're just honestly not the best. Even the bushing feels kind of cheap on there. And then we have full metal adjustable white line ones, which should make a difference. I prefer to replace crappy parts on the car when I see it, so that's what we're doing now. Show you guys the new end links. Kind of gotta get in there. Woo! Still gotta tighten down the collars, but they're in.